Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are doing a deep clean of my bedroom. You can see yourself, hey. Since the new year is coming up, I really wanted to go through everything and just super deep clean it. So if you guys like these videos, make sure you subscribe, follow me on Instagram because I'm doing a giveaway. Let's just go on to the video. Here's the before, and don't get me wrong, it is definitely clean. My bed's made. Nothing's really on the floor. I mean, there's like a ton of fuzz and random stuff on the floor. Can someone tell me where all this comes from? I swear I vacuum all the time. It's definitely clean, so that's not really like an issue of picking up, but I want to deep clean. I want to dust everything. I want to wipe down everything. I want to take everything out of my drawers, wipe it down, and then I also have my suitcase and then all my stuff from Christmas that I need to put away. So that's probably going to be like the most like cleaning, is putting all that away. This is honestly a lot cleaner than we normally start out with. We have an easier start, but the deep cleaning will be fun. I took a little pasta break because I was pretty hungry. I'm gonna eat this and then we get back to cleaning.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. That guy driving to live through life, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. But now I gotta keep it. Walking downtown and I'm okay. Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave. Alright. Everyone's looking like they know what they're doing. Everyone's looking like they know what I'm pursuing. I'm trying not to give them the time of day. It's easier said than done. That guy driving to left through life, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. But now I gotta keep it.
We made a good amount of progress. I think the only thing that I need to wipe down are my windowsills. Pretty much wipe down everything else. I need to vacuum. I kind of think that what I want to do is move things. Normally I like kind of just vacuum around this mirror, but I think I want to like move it and just get under the little areas. Still smudged. I don't know how to not make it smudged. But in here, I also organized some of my drawers. This one I didn't really organize. This one I organized. I kind of wish I would have put the non-stick mats here, but there's so much stuff in here that it's so tight that things really don't move around unless it's like these. And then this was the drawer that I really needed to organize. I just had a bunch of stuff going on. So I took some stuff out there that I didn't need. I have some storage up here, so I put it in there. I just did that really weird. And now we're gonna vacuum. I just don't want to do it, but I have to. I'm not kidding, every single time I try to vacuum ever, I vacuum for 2 seconds and then it dies. I think what I'm gonna do is scrub this thing because there keeps being smudges and it's driving me insane. Also, another thing that I realized is ignore that, just ignore that. But this room looks so much bigger when the mirror is in here. So I'm kind of wondering if I just flatten it, if that would make the room look bigger, because I like walked in and I was like, holy crap, it just feels a lot bigger without that corner being taken up by this mirror. Just something I'm considering.
My anxiety. It's more than a feeling.
While we wait for the vacuum to charge, I'm gonna clean my bathroom, which honestly it's not very clean. It's just kind of been sitting here over break. I could definitely clean. I also want to clean out my cabinet because it's kind of gross.
You're never meant for me. Now I gotta keep it.
I kind of finished the bathroom. I had to change my shirt because it got super wet when I was cleaning the shower. I also should have worn gloves when I was dealing with the bleach powder, but it was kind of an afterthought. I'm gonna mop the floor later, and I just don't feel like doing it right now. Clean the toilet. I organized this drawer right here. I still have some skincare products that I'll put here. And then I organized this right here. This is where I put like all my cleaning supplies and like extra products down there. I cleaned the shower, but there's just so many permanent stains. It's a college apartment. What was I supposed to expect? Now, hopefully the vacuum is going to work. It is so nice to have a clean floor again. Cleaning is always a 2-day long process for me, so we're on day 2 now. Here's what we got. Obviously, and I have to vacuum again because all the fuzz on the ground is from this fuzzy blanket. There's so much fuzz on this, so I kind of just kicked some of it to the ground so I could just vacuum it. The laundry, that's what's really gonna take a while. Second day of cleaning.
All the stuff that you've been worrying about. Never mind all the people trying to bring you down. Oh, never mind all the things that's been going on. I just wanna never mind. Right now it's time to thank him. Thank you, Lord, for all you do for me, for all you've done for me, for how you loving me. Thank you, Lord, for how you care for me. You always there for me. You said you never leave. I just wanna never mind all the things going on in my mind. Never mind, right now just.
Here's a little after of the room. Nice and clean. We love it. My desk is all cleared off. Obviously, there's my phone remote. I think it looks really good. There's all these smudges, but that's from the outside, and honestly, I don't feel like going outside and cleaning my windows. As for this mirror right here, I still haven't decided if I want to keep this mirror here permanently. I think that I'm going to keep it there just for a little bit and see how I like it, and then if I want to move it back, I can. But for right now, it's there. And she's clean. I hope that you guys like this video. If you guys want me to do more clean me videos, I definitely can. I kind of want to do one where I deep clean my entire apartment, so not just my bedroom, but like everything in my apartment. Let me know if you guys want to see that. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already. Head over to my Instagram and enter my giveaway. Follow me while you're there if you want. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.